All right, so this is my 2016 Chevy Malibu LS. Um, I've been having this problem where I come to a complete stop. Chevy Malibu owners would know that auto stop would stop your car when you're probably at a red light or anything like that. So once I let my foot off the gas, it turns off, and then it says service Stabilitrak, and it says rear door unlocked. All my doors right now are not open, they're all locked. So I'm not sure what the issue here is. I don't know if there's an update about Chevy going on. But that's the reason why that check engine light is here. And it's, as you see, it's only 48,000 miles. So it's not even supposed to be here, really. So yeah, that's the issue here going on with the Chevy Malibu.